You've done everything right: blackout curtains, decaf, no phone before bed, yet you're still wide awake at 3 a.m. The clock ticks by, and you're left frustrated, exhausted, and alone in your struggle. But you're not alone. Millions face this silent battle every night. The real culprit isn't just bad habits or bright lights, it's hidden stress. These stressors build up all day, following you into bed, keeping your mind racing. Digital habits are a major factor. It's not just blue light, it's the stress from doom-scrolling late-night emails and the anxiety of waiting for notifications. Even with your phone off, your brain stays on high alert, stuck in fight-or-flight mode. Your body wants rest, but your mind is wired for vigilance. This hyper-arousal is the opposite of what you need for deep sleep. So, while you may have put the phone down, the mental residue lingers. It's this digital hangover, stress and stimulation that keeps you tossing and turning. The true thief of your rest is invisible, but it's real. Let's uncover how to stop it. Sleep isn't just about what happens at night, your daily habits matter. Caffeine lingers for hours, so that 3 p.m. coffee can keep you up at midnight. An inconsistent sleep schedule confuses your body's clock, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Heavy, late dinners force your body to digest when it should be resting, especially if the meal is fatty or spicy. Emotional baggage, stressful conversations, unfinished tasks, or social media anxiety follows you to bed, fueling restless thoughts. These hidden saboteurs, caffeine, irregular routines, late meals, and emotional stress, quietly disrupt your sleep. Recognizing them is the first step to reclaiming your nights. Small changes in your day can transform your sleep. Let's look at your environment next. Is your bedroom a sanctuary or a source of stress? Clutter and mess signal unfinished business, making it hard for your mind to relax. Background noise, traffic, appliances, or snoring can fragment your sleep, even if you don't fully wake up. Temperature matters. A cool room, around 16-18 degrees Celsius, helps your body wind down. When your bedroom doubles as an office or entertainment zone, your brain forgets it's a place for rest. The solution? Dedicate your bedroom to sleep and intimacy only. Clear the clutter, keep it cool and quiet, and your brain will get the message. It's time to rest. Your environment can either sabotage or support your sleep. Make it your ally. You can reclaim your sleep starting tonight. Begin with a digital sunset. Turn off screens an hour before bed and unwind with a book, music, or a warm bath. Try a brain dump, jot down worries and to-dos before lights out to clear your mind. Prep your room. Cool, dark, quiet, and clutter-free. Use blackout curtains, white noise, or earplugs if needed, if your mind races. Use the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat a few times to calm your nervous system. Small, consistent changes add up to better sleep. Which hidden stressor will you tackle first? Sleep is a skill, one you can master. Start tonight and wake up to a new you.